Hi, this is Zach with WSU Student Financial Services. Today, we're going to talk about the FAFSA. The FAFSA is the free application for federal student aid. All students must fill this out if you want to be eligible for federal aid. Students should fill out the FAFSA every year that they want to attend school. This video will go over some helpful tips and tricks to get you and your family on their way to filling out the FAFSA. It's important to remember that all contributors on the FAFSA will have to have their own FSA ID. As a student filling out the form for yourself, select Student. You'll be guided through an overview, helping you understand the FAFSA form, including contributors, necessary documents, and what to expect after submission. Next, you'll navigate through the Student Personal Circumstances section, determining your dependency status and possibly identifying parent contributors if you're a dependent student. Your marital status, grade level, and certain personal circumstances like military service or having dependents will be addressed here. If you are dependent, you will need to invite your parent contributor to add their info on the FAFSA. In the student demographics section, provide details such as your gender, race, ethnicity, and citizenship status. These questions are for research purposes and won't affect your aid eligibility. The student financial section is crucial for determining your financial aid eligibility. If you transfer your tax information from the IRS, you'll focus on additional financial details like taxable college grants and your current assets. If not, manually add your tax info. Moving to the Select Colleges section, add any schools you're considering to receive FAFSA information. Up to 20 schools can be selected, and you can adjust the list later if needed. Review your answers carefully in the last section. Make any necessary edits and proceed to sign your FAFSA form. If you're a dependent student, ensure all contributors have submitted all necessary information. Once all contributors have submitted, you'll receive a confirmation page with your estimated student aid index and next steps. This page is your proof that your FAFSA has been successfully submitted.